Hello friends, this is Coach Veer again on my YouTube channel Coach Veer, and today we will discuss this problem. Prove that cube root of 2 plus square root of 5 plus cube root of 2 minus square root of 5 is a rational number. How we can solve this? Let's solve, but before that, a request to you all, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it to all your friends. It's really important for me, friends. Thank you. So let's start. So here we let it that x is that number which value is equivalent to 2 plus this whole expression. And what we can do here is, if we want to make it on the one side, we get it as both the things will come in negative this side, as you know. So 2 minus square root of 5 is equal to 0. So here we can see there are three things which are adding up to 0, like a plus b plus c are adding up to 0. So we can reduce this in the cubics, that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is going to be 3abc. Okay, so here is the point, and you know cube of negative number is negative. So here these things are two negatives, so here it's when you remove the cube root, then it's a negative only. So let's apply this in this, and what we are going to get here is x cube negative of 2 plus square 5 negative of 2 minus this 5 and 3 times of all the multiplications. So let me write them in the bracket. So if I write them in the bracket of cube, we can take cube root of both of them as common, because both are like having the same root. So we got like this. Okay, so further what we can do here is, let's simplify. It's going to be negative 2 and it's going to be negative root 5, negative 2 but positive root 5, and this thing 3x and the cube root of, here we can do a little bit of a plus b, a minus b formula, and we are going to get 4 minus 5. And here if we cancel this thing, we are going to get negative of 4. So here this side, you know, it is going to be cube root of negative 1, and it's negative 1 itself. So what we can write here is negative of 3x, and bringing all the things together on one side will lead us to plus 3x negative of 4 is equal to 0. How to solve a cubic equation? By assuming some value of x. But as we know, there are factors, so 4 is having, or negative 4 is having factor as 1, 2, 4, negative 1 and negative 2 and negative 4. One of them will satisfy this, and surely 1 is getting satisfied, that 1 cube plus 3 times 1 negative 4 is equal to 0. And yes, it is. You can see that this is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 is the root of the equation. If this is the root of this equation, what are the other two roots? As this is a cubic equation, we need to find the rest two roots also. So let me find it by making it reduced by x minus 1. If we do that, what we are going to get, you need to divide it. So if I do the division, or by synthetic method, let me teach you synthetic method this time. Here x cube, x square, x, and the constant terms are written here. The number which we are going to divide, like the root x is equal to 1, we have to write that coefficient of x cube is 1, 0, 3 and negative of 4. So the first number will come directly down, 1 one's a 1, and this thing is going to be 1. So here we are getting 1 only. 1 times 1 is 1, and this is 4, and 4 times this is going to be 0. So now this will become the coefficients of x square, x, and the constant term. So we can surely write it as x square plus x and plus 4 equal to 0. So this is the remaining quadratic equation which we are going to get after dividing this. So how to find the root of that? So first let me find the d is the discriminant here, which is b square minus 4ac. B is the value 1 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 4. So if we do that, we get 1 minus 4 16, and this is negative 15, and if the discriminant is negative, the roots are complex. Complex means imaginary. Okay, so if the two other roots are imaginary, we need to certify that x is equal to 1 is the value of this. So we can write that this is actually equivalent to 1, and that's a rational number, and we proved that. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to share it with all your contacts on WhatsApp, Facebook, and you can follow me on Twitter also. And on Facebook I have a Coach VEER page. There I usually post the solutions of difficult problems and the problems related to all the students. And this is my video channel. You can request video on my Facebook page also. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.